Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am the Drunken Goth, and today we have a connoliser coming out to have a look at these seats in the GT4. I don't think they're going to need too much work. There's no actual rips in the leather or anything, they're just very faded. So we shall have a good look round. I shall take you around them with the camera so you can see roughly what we're working with. We'll get the connoliser in, get them all sorted out, and I will show you the end result. So, as we can see, this is the current state of the seat. Now, a lot of this is okay, there's no rips, it's a bit mucky, could do with a good clean up, which we can sort quite easily, but it's this that we want to sort properly. So this is the stuff that the connoliser will be sorting. You see it's very faded. And obviously marks from where people have put things in the seats before. And the same here. The back's pretty good, but that's not unusual, as even though it is a four-seater, not a lot of people usually sit in the back of these things. But yeah, we'll get all this looking good. So as you can see here, as we sort of surmised in the inspection video that we did, the seats aren't in too bad a condition to start off with. There's no major rips, there's no major tears in the leather, all seems to be in reasonable condition, and a lot of it will clean up. But with these inserts, they are extremely faded, and the tobacco colour has sort of worn through in quite a lot of places, as you can see here. So this is why we're going for the connolising. So as you can see, the connoliser masks off the areas where it's the tan colour rather than the tobacco colour, and basically cleans it off with a lot of different sort of leather cleaners, gets them all as clean and as nice as possible, before then going over it with a sort of spray dye that infuses itself into the leather and gets that original colour back to exactly how it should be, and obviously then goes over it with a sealant which seals all that new colour in and protects it for the future. So, connoliser is just finished, and as we can see, those seat inserts are looking very, very good. And on the other side, very, very nice. It's exactly what we like. Obviously there's some more work to do to the interior, but that will mainly be across the detailer, as we know a lot of this will clean up quite nicely anyway. So yes, that's the main thing we wanted doing, getting those seat inserts all nicely cleaned up. So there we go. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. Obviously those seats looking a lot better now than they were before. If you like the video, please drop a like on it, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on the next one.